Hello everyone, my name is Vassa. I'm a mechanical engineer graduated from Bauman Moscow Technical State University, and now I'm getting my second degree in San Francisco, California as transportation designer. A lot of you guys asked me how to make clay models. What clay do I use? What tools? How to make symmetry? And so on. So in this video course, I'm gonna show you basic steps of clay modeling. There is two different types of modeling. First one is when you already have a design and you just have to replicate it on the model. And second one, if design is still developing, or you have just basic proportions and you want to create something super original and super new. And today, in this video, I want to show you main steps that you have to do before applying clay. So if you're interested, please keep watching. The first step is figuring out what is the vehicle size. It can be SUV, sedan, coupe, city car, pickup truck, supercar, or any other custom segment. We should start with sketches. Try to make as many sketches as you can. It doesn't mean that you have to follow it 100%, but at least we'll have a strong direction. As far as we know what vehicle we're gonna design, we need an approximate dimensions. We need to make an orthography, like this. I'm making it in 5th scale, so all the dimensions should be divided by 5. I'm making the grid where 1 square is 20 millimeters. The third step is creating the board. Board should be approximately twice bigger than the car. We should draw grid on top of the surface. Next one, creating skateboard. It's a base on top of which my future model is gonna stay on. Here you can see the drawing of it on top of orthography. The bottom is our car ground clearance. The size from the top view should be definitely smaller than the car. Let's make a base for future car. We should leave around 25 millimeters for clay on the top and a little bit more for side, rear, and front for future sculpting. The best material for the base is blue foam. It's easy to shave and pretty stable. I'm using 2 pieces of blue foam for the bottom and greenhouse. Next, very important step is our wheels. We need to emphasize wheel gaps. I'm creating the wheel gap plugs. The surface should be accurate and round. As far as at least 2 of our wheels are symmetrical, we need to make just 2 plugs. If front and rear are the same size, then we can make just 1. Now I'm going to show you shaving process to create a shape that we want. At the end, when I have a desired shape, I melt it with a heat gun. When I do that, the shape becomes rough, so clay can be easily fixed on the surface and stay on it, and hard enough to prevent from deformation in the future. Finally, that's what we have to make at this stage of long and exciting process of modeling. Thank you for watching. I hope it was very helpful for you. If you have any other question that you want me to answer, please comment below and I'll definitely do it in the next video.